or she says, I hope you can hear now. Okay. A very good morning to every one of you on a wonderful Sunday. Once more, I am back with thank you, Chiranjeevi, Avika, Atharv, every one of you. I'm going to spend time with you, do some very interesting questions. I have some very easy questions to kind of feel you that you are great. Utsav, आप अपने voice को थोड़ा कम, I mean, if my voice is loud, Utsav, then what you can do is reduce the volume. Okay, here it is. Am I fine? Utsav Lal. Good morning, Jatan and Lakshya Agarwal. Techno LC8. I don't know what the name is, but wonderful to look at all of you. I have got with me about 20 questions. Don't worry about me, Rishi Raj. All you need to do is solve questions. And I have with me about 24 questions, of which my bet is 24 of them will be very, very simple. 20 of them will be very simple. 4 of them I've kind of picked up thinking that they are difficult. If you can crack it, it means that you are better than I am. As simple as that. And I'm pretty sure some of you will be. With this, this is the 6th episode we are doing for Fun with Math. One of our basic ideas for these kind of things is to make you solve, make you learn, make you feel good about yourself. More than that, get used to mathematics more than anything else. Gayatri is asking, aren't you going to teach some new tricks? Today, I'm going to make you solve the tricks. Some of them are very simple, some of them are not, but that's fine. We will look at that. Okay? Is that fine? Anonymous attendee, you're for the first time, so I think you're audible right now. Okay. So with this, my name is Arks. My friends, those of you know me before, you have been there. If you have not, no problems. We'll learn each of us and get to know each other too. Okay. In Vedic mathematics, GP sir would have showed you some tricks. So can we look at those tricks and learn and quickly implement them? That is my endeavor. But let's start with a very, very simple thing. What I'm going to do is a little bit of mathematical operators, a little bit of missing numbers, a little bit of puzzles, but maybe a little bit some bouncers. I'll start with a probable difficult question. If you get this right, I'm going to give you a polling. I'll give you 2 minutes to solve. For some of them, I'll give you 1 minute to solve. For some of the questions, I'll give you 2 minutes to solve. If you're able to solve it, you can pat yourself on the back and tick yourself. If you get all 24 today, in fact, if there is anybody who gets all the 24 questions, 20 plus 4, the 4 bouncers I have, I'm not saying they're difficult, but it's like, slightly difficult ones. At your age, if you can solve it, I'll say, wow, hats off. But the rest 20, I would expect most of you to get it right. My idea on a Sunday is to kind of make you feel that, look, these questions, if you can solve, anything else, as you grow in your career, you will start solving them well. Simple questions, but with a very, very simple bouncer. I'm going to give you a poll for that too. A very simple poll. This is what? Okay, only 4 choices are there, guys. I'm going to give you 2 minutes for this. Let's see if you can solve. I still have a lot of questions, a lot of people to answer yet. Some of you have answered fast. Very good. Another 45 seconds, guys. This is the first question. Don't worry. But please go ahead and answer. Every one of you. There's so many of you not answering yet. The others who have already answered, whatever the answer might be, just recheck for yourself. 25 seconds to go. Laksha Bhatt is giving me an answer on chat, but I want the answer on the poll. Guys, please give your answers. That's 2 minutes done. I'm ending the poll here. I have ended the poll here. Here is what the results show. Here is what the results show. 39% of you, 39% of you have given the answer as B. 24% of you have given the answer as A. Unfortunately, both are wrong. More than 60% of you are wrong. But that's okay, because this is not an easy question. This is not an easy question. But here is what I want you to look at it. I'm stopping the sharing. The answer, I will answer in a moment. I will answer in a moment. Look, if I have 1 mark for a correct answer and 0.25 marks for a wrong answer, you can automatically say that if I get 1 correct, I can get up to 4 wrong. So in a combination of 5 questions where you get 1 correct and 4 wrong, you get 0 marks. You get 0 marks. Am I right? If that is the case, now look at it. This particular lovely girl got 13.75. That means minimum she would have got 14 correct. If it is 14 correct, 14 marks plus 1 wrong at least. So 14 correct is 14 marks minus 0.25. This will give you 13.75. But we have totally 30 questions and she attempted all the questions. There are 15 more questions to solve and she got net 0 marks for this. 0 marks for this, net 0 marks. Which means if for every 5 questions 0 marks, for every 5 questions she has to get 1 correct. For 15 questions she has to get 3 correct, 12 wrong. And that means to say total correct are 14 plus 3, 17 correct. And the total wrongs are 12 and 1. The answer is D. And those people who have got D, you should be saying, wow, good show. The rest of you were in a hurry to answer the question. Because I saw a lot of you giving the answer. Nothing wrong in being fast. But what is not is to just take your time to understand the question. Okay, this is a beautiful googly we start with. A lot of you got it right. I'm very glad. Once again, if you notice, the kind of questions people who got it right is like really, really nice. But those of you who have not got it wrong, this is just starting, guys. I have another 23 to go. 23 to go. 4 difficult ones, 20 easy ones. You know something, guys, I was talking to my GP sir who was there taking Vedic mathematics to you guys. And one of the things he keeps saying is that, you know, most questions, there are at least 20-30% of the questions, everybody gets it right. There are 20% of the questions, everybody gets it wrong. And the rest of it is all the people who are going to fight for the first ranker, second ranker, third ranker kind of things. So are you one of them? We will look at that. Okay, the first question done. Let's go to the next one. Okay, we have any question? The answer is D. Yes, Sakshat. Very good. Ria. Very nice. Chiranjeevi got it. Excellent. Now, the next question is a very simple question. In the next 5 questions, I'm going to give you one minute for this. You know, one minute for this. All of you should get it. I'll give you a poll. 55 to 60 seconds, I'll stop and I'll give you the answers. This 1 hour should be productive for us. That's the reason why I'm giving you this. Okay. This is BODMAS, guys. It's a warm-up thing I'm going to give you. What is BODMAS? You know this, right? First you solve the bracket, then the division, then the multiplication, and then of course the addition or the subtraction. BODMAS is that. This is the first question on your screen. Here is what I'm launching. Of course, there are 5 choices. Don't bother about them. Please give your choices with this. Only 1 minute to go for you. First question on your screen is there. You have to be very careful in your answers. I have an answer which is E also. Wow. Please read the question carefully. If you don't, you will make a question is, which of the following options is true? Hey guys, this is interesting. Now people are getting it right. I have stopped. Initially a lot of people got it wrong when I gave you because people were in a hurry to answer the question. Again, I say, take the 30 seconds off. This is not a quiz going on. Of course, it's important that you need to do it fast, but don't be in a hurry to make it. How many? Look at this. Of course, I got it right, but look at the number of people got it wrong. 15 people got it wrong, and a lot of people didn't even answer. The answer, my friends, as somebody has said correctly, the answer is A. You convert the plus into multiplication, multiplication into an addition, a division into a subtraction, and a subtraction into a division. For example, 52 minus 13 is nothing but 52 divided by 13. Into is a plus. Plus is a into. A division is a minus. Now you do this. This is 24. You will have to do first division. This is 8. 52 divided by 13 is 4. Then 3 into 8, 24. 24 plus 4, 28 minus 7 is 21. This is correct. As you can see clearly, lots of people got it wrong. I'm a little unhappy, not because of anything else. Yes, Utsav Lal, very, very good. Brilliant, that is. My friend Utsav says, if minus is for division, 92 by 53 is so pathetic. It's so pathetic. Similarly, 42 plus is multiplication. Oh, sorry. Plus is like such a big thing. That is where you will figure out that there will be a very, very unlikely for C to be the right answer. Next question, 1 minute. I think we will give. Very easy question on your screens. I'm relaunching the poll. Just be careful. Just be careful. Wow, somebody is giving answers extremely fast. "30 seconds to go." This question, the first five questions, I'm going to give you only 5 minutes each. Or 1 minute each, sorry. "15 seconds to go." Oh, my mistake. So sorry, guys. I have almost given the answer. The answer, I have stopped. Brilliant people picked up the answers. I'm sharing the result. Yes, the democratic answer that you have, the highest is 15 people. who have got the right answer. The answer is B. You just have to convert greater than into a plus, uh, a sign which is a power sign into a division, a V sign into a multiplication. You will find that exactly this. So you will find 18 greater than, so 54. First, you should do 54 by 27. That is 2. 18 into 2 is 36. 36 plus 9 is 45. That is the way to solve it. This is, first you should do this. This is 54 by 2. 54 divided by 2, which is 54 divided by 27, which is 2. Now you're doing 18 into 2, which is 36. And 36, where is this plus we'll have to get? Greater than. Oh, sorry, this is 2. Sorry, 2 into 18. Is it? Is this correct? 18 is greater than 15. This is 2. 18, 18 plus 18. Okay, there is some mistake there. It's 2 into 9 it should be. Greater than means addition. That's 18 plus, yeah, absolutely. 2 into 9. 18 plus 2 into 9, 18 plus 18 is equal to, then, okay, 1 second. Is this the correct answer, guys? Is B the correct answer? Oh, okay. Sorry. I didn't see this. So that's obviously 45 minus 8. So I get absolutely. So my mistake, guys. I was not seeing that it is less than. So this is 45 minus 9. This is 36. This is 18 plus 2 into 9, 18, which is 36. 36 is equal to 36 and hence right. Absolutely correct. So these kind of questions keep coming into your questions. We will solve them and keep doing that. So Satya put, we did Vedic mathematics in the previous session. This is more of puzzles for you. Okay? There are various kinds of questions, Satya. If you missed the last one, but again, you will find some very interesting ones if you can solve. This is the next question. You have to interchange some of these symbols and get an easy answer. This is a very easy question, guys. 1 minute I'm going to give you. Just be a little slow. Don't be in a hurry. You will get your answers right. One thing I have seen is anybody who's slightly doesn't mean to be fast. If you're a little smarter, okay, that we go to, I'm ending the poll. I still can't see. Another few 10 seconds, 5-7 seconds I'll give you guys. Quick. Finally. So this particular question, you have to be careful. And finally, I got the number. I'm ending the poll, the sharing the results. By a whisker, D has the highest number. D has the highest number, and the answer is D. The answer is D for this. The answer is D for this. See, 4 is replaced by 2. 4, and this is divided by 4 by 2 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. D has to be the right answer. I am saying it again. We have 1 minute to go. The smartness in you is not to do it faster alone. A lot of you who are giving answers extremely fast, while I like the fact that you want to be competitive, but more than being competitive, you need to be correct also. So keep that in mind so that you will get the scores better and better every time. Okay? Next question on your screen. This is answer, of course. The other three are false, and the fourth one is the right answer. Fourth question, I am relaunching. Now, just take that few minutes off, guys. Just 40 seconds before you give me an answer. Don't be in a hurry. I don't know who is this person who is giving quickly before even solving anything. Keshav, that was just about interchanging of numbers and interchanging of signs. This is easy, guys. This is easy. Okay, now a lot of you are getting right. Another 10 seconds I'm going to give you. Just 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. Okay, done. Okay, finally I got a lot of people getting this right answer. 21 people out of, in fact, there are so many, close to 75 people, and only 21 have got it right. Close to 50% of them getting it right in 1 minute and 20 seconds. That is very good. And here is the answer. What you do is simple, guys. What have you done here? Basically interchange plus and minus. What you have done is, this is nothing but, and 3 and 5 interchange. So it is 5, 3 interchange, 2 doesn't interchange. This is this, this is this. 5 minus 3 is 2. This is equal to 4. It makes it correct with your answer C. Okay, that is your question. Fifth question we go to before we take this is obvious. Fifth question, just be a little careful. I am giving you 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay, now I am getting the right answer for a lot of you. If you take, again, simple, guys. This is what I have given you. Once again, fun, some seriously fun people getting it. This, Dipanshu and Chandan, one of you please answer Rishi Raj. He has a question on the chat. Okay. Now, here is what I'm going to showcase to you. This is obviously finally people got it right. A lot of you got it right finally, but then that number is still low because I've seen again and again that people who do it fast may not always be right. That doesn't mean you don't do it fast. Now, you need to convert this. So for the answer, by the way, is A. The answer, by the way, is A. We will look at this how. We will look at this how. Basically, which combination will give you the value of 10? Star means division. So 75 divided by 15. Then plus means minus, minus 2. Then minus means into. So into 3. And division means plus. and that is 11. This is what I want, correct? Now I have to do this first, minus, I'll get, what is this? Minus 6 I will do. This is 6 here, plus 11. 5 minus 6 is minus 1, plus 11, which is 10. This is the way to get it. Hence, the answer is choice A. Now, we have done a few questions here, guys. All these things, just to give you today's session, all of you who are asking me these questions, is a series of fun with math questions. These are pure basic mathematical puzzles. You will see that whether it is an Olympiad, of course, not at the highest level, the RMPO kind of things, but at a slightly lower level, or any aptitude test that you go to, you will get these kind of questions, quite a bit of them. The idea is to be, aware of what you're getting, aware of what you're doing, and then solving a lot of these questions, even of course, a little faster than normal. Okay, let's look at what other questions we have. So, Chandan, you are asking what is the session about, right? That is what Mr. Chandan will answer. And Kumari Bindu Stephens, she can't see a presentation. Somebody please help her. Now, with this, let me go to a very, very good question once again. I told you a second bouncer. See if you can get this answer. Beautiful question. This is a high level question again. I'm going to give you a poll for this. Very nice. I have got answers already from some of you. You know what? This is one of the very questions which was given in a slightly, high level paper, not for people who are 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. And if you are able to get this, that's very nice. The clue is the product of all 4 digits has to be a prime. Very, very nice. Okay, I'm going to stop it in 10 seconds now. I got almost 25 answers, but more people should have given the answer. Guys, 3 seconds. Go ahead and give me the answer. Riya Sharma is asking how the product can be prime. Of course, it can be prime. This is the answer. 15 people got it right out of the 70 people who are there today. That's pretty good, but only 32 of them have voted, which is what I'm saying is not very, very good. 15 out of the 32 who have voted, and out of 70 people, that means lots of people did not vote. 15 out of 72 is about 20%. You guys who have got it A as the right answer, I'm very, very glad. And Riya, this is for you. Think about it. You are talking about a 4 digit number, and the unit digit is a prime. So what is the unit digit? What could be the prime numbers in the digits? 2, 3, 5, 7, nothing else. There are only 4 possibilities. Now, the product of the 4 digits also should be a prime. How can a product be prime? The only way it will be prime is when you have a multiplication of 1. So the only possibility is when all of them are ones, and my answer is A, choice 4. Did you get this, guys, now? Riya Sharma, very beautiful. Utsav, excellent. Laksha, Riya Sharma ji, you got it now? Yeah. Now, Sujata, even after this you didn't get? See, a prime number is a number like 2, 3, 5 and 7, correct? And if you want the product also to be prime, you cannot have any other number. Very good, Chiranjeevi Rishabh. Sujata, I'm just answering. So therefore, you need to have those numbers also as 1, because 1 into 1 into 1 into 2 will be 2, or 1 into 1 into 1 into. If even one number Even if one number is 2, even if one number is 2 or 3 or 4, whatever here, the product will not be a prime. It will automatically be a composite number because you already have one factor here. And that is the reason why this is a good bouncer. A lot of you got it. 15 of you got it right. I'm really happy for that. Okay. The first 5 questions, 6th question was difficult. Next 6 are absolutely simple questions. I'm going to give you once again. Let's take 1 minute for these things. We have a lot of good questions coming up. Very, very quick. I'm not going to give you this thing for it. This is very straightforward. Only 30 seconds I'm going to give you. Give me a chat answer, please. This one is a chat answer. Okay, Chiranjeev, check. Right, Sumant. Harjot, check. Sumant, right. Pratik, right. Sahit, very good. Rudraksh, yes, check. Lakshya, right. Rishita, right. All of you are getting it right, except the people who've got 20 and 22. This is really, really nothing great about this question, guys. The answer is 18 for this. How do you get this? 18? How do you get this 18? Anybody? Quickly. 6 into 4 is 24, minus 4 is 20, 8 into 3 is 23, 8 into 3 is 23. Yeah, minus subtraction, 20 minus 1 into 2. Yes, yes. So therefore 10 into 2 minus 2 will be your answer. So this is this into this minus 4, this into this minus 3, this into this minus 2. And you will get your answer. Not a great question, agreed, but a decent question. So 6 into 4 minus 4, 8 into 3 minus 3, and 10 into 2 minus 2. Next question also, I'm not going to give you time. 30 seconds, solve. Very, very silly and easy question. Pretty fast, Sahit. I like that. First, next 5 questions, I'm not going to give you polls. Very good, Bhavyavir. Yash, Lulla. Check once. Chiranjeevi, very good. Sarvesh, good. Sujata, good. Suman, good. Shaurya, check. Daksh, great. Piyanshu, wonderful. Devansh, not correct. Mishti, not correct. Rudaksh, correct. Jatin, correct. Atharv, correct. Keshav, correct. No, Keshav, not correct. Ishita, correct. Very good. Keshav, check. Utsav Lal, not correct. Yash Lalla, correct. Avika Bansal, good it. Very good. Gauri is asking, sir, please tell me this is so and so. Stuti, not correct. Gayatri, Laksha, Minakshi, perfect. Answer is 35, guys. That is absolutely silly question. This is absolutely silly question. This is 6 plus 4, 24. This is 6 plus 4, 24 is 30. 30 by 5 is 6. Oh, sorry. 18 plus 17 is 35. 35 by 5 is 7. 32 plus 13 is 45. 45 by 5 is 9. So this has to be 35. Gauri, you got it right. Next question. Very simple. Again, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Let's see how we'll do this one. You can do it fast. Whoever is getting it right. Chandrasekhar is right. Aditya is right. Iqbal, correct. Next. Brilliant. Utsav, Harjot, Iqbal, Vivekanand, Sarvesh, Chiranjeev. Very nice. Stephen, very nice. Shaurya. Simple question. I know you are getting it right. Yes. आपको थोड़ा सा reverse मिला बेटा. देख लेना. Everybody else is getting it right. Cross multiplication is the right answer. Rudraksh, you also got it reverse. The answer is here 5 into 1 is 5. 4 into 2 is 8. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. 2 into 2 is 4. So therefore, 7 into 1 is 7, 9 into 1 is 9, 1 into 2 is 2, 792 should be the right answer. And hence, the answer given is 792. A lot of you got it right. Very simple question. I'm going to the next question because again, I want you to solve a lot more. This is puzzles. Let's solve it. This is an easy question once again. 30 seconds. Let's see how many of you get it in 30 seconds. Riya Sharma, you got it, I hope now. 792 is the right answer. Jitin, correct. I will give you a hint after this if you're not getting it. Daksh, correct. Vivekanand, correct. Keshav Jha, no. Atharv, right. Gayatri, no. Harjot, correct. Jatin, no. Yajat, right. Sarvesh, no. Mishti, correct. Chandra, correct. Iqbal, not correct. Lakshya, correct. Abhika, no. Chiranjeevi, yes. Gauri, no. Utsav, yes. Priyanshu, yes. Tuti, no. Yash, no. Tia, no. Minakshi, correct. Shaurya, no. Okay, we have got 1 minute. I told you. Answer is, yeah, dekho, whenever you have questions like these, 5, 17, 37, it's going up very, very fast, right? So somewhere you need to realize couple of, if it goes really exponentially fast, first, initially you look at straight numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you look at squares, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square kind of things. Then you look at your cubes. In this particular thing, I can say that this is 2 square plus 1. This is 4 square plus 1. This is 2 square plus 1. This is 6 square plus 1. This is 8 square plus 1. Therefore, this has to be 10 square plus 1. Of course, there are various other ways in which you can get the same answer. Therefore, the answer is 101. One more question before we go to a difficult one. One more question, we go to a difficult one. Utsav Lal is saying 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. 65 plus 36 is 101. Very 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. ये कैसा आया तुमको? अच्छा, difference ले रहे हो. अरे, very nice, very nice, very nice. Fair enough, fair enough. In fact, you can see the difference also if you can really, really look at the differences. If you look at the differences very, very quickly. Just a second. If you look at the differences, yes, you will get it very, very easily in that also. Right. Gaps are the multiples of 4. That's nice. That's very nice. That's very nice. Next, last question in this table, guys, we will solve before I kind of leave and give you a interesting, more bigger question. I told you every 5 questions I'll make it difficult. This is absolutely straightforward. I'm going to skip some of these questions which are not really great. This is very, very simple. No great shakes in this particular question at least. Rudra Gupta, एक बार check कर लो. No, it is not what you've given. Very good, Aditya Pillai, but don't give it in Q&A, my friend. Please give all your answers in the chat instead of Q&A. Okay, now I'm getting right. Chiranjeevi, एक बार check कर लो. Janvi, Riya, Sahid, you're right. Atharva, Sarvesh, Harjot, all of you right. Hetvi, no. Again, 17 nines is 151. 151 minus 56 is 97. 16 into 10 is 160. 160 minus 6 into 5, 30. 160 minus 30 is, I have choice B as the right answer. This is nothing but 9 into 17 minus 8 into 7. Great. It's a very, very basic question. But here is the next one I'm going to showcase to you, where I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Again, a very interesting question. Here it goes. This is really difficult. If you can answer, just don't be in a hurry. Just keep yourself. I'm just urging you, don't be in a hurry. Just give it yourself time. If you get it right, great. Please give the poll. Yeah, here is the poll. Please give me on the poll, please. All the answers on the poll, please. I'm going to give you actually a full minute on this. Very beautiful. Lots of people are giving you answers. Is there anybody who is less than 8th class in this class? Who is not in the 8th class or less than 8th class? I mean, if you can just tell me. Chiranjeevi, I'll answer that. Okay, Sumant, what, Rudraksha and Sumant, what classes are you in, my friends? 7th. Okay, Rudraksh. 7th. Okay. Fair enough. Oh, my friend Daksh is in 4th. See, anybody who's in 9th, 10th, 11th, this question should be easy. But people who are in 4th, 5th, 7th, 8th kind of things are slightly difficult. Okay. Right. Now let me see. Another look at. Okay, guys, I'll give you last 12 seconds. All of you, just go ahead and answer whatever comes to your mind. Let's look at it. 7 seconds. All of you, please answer. Everyone, 28 of them have to answer still. Whatever it is, what is the best guess you make, and just guess the answer. On the chat, please. Chandan and Dipanshu, you are able to hear, because this girl, Kumari Bindu Stephen, is not able to hear. Sir, the answer is whatever. Okay, I am going to stop the poll now. Almost all of you have answered. I hope everybody does answer. Here is the end of the poll. And here is the result that I'm sharing. Look at this. We have 42% giving the answer as a 6. I don't know how anybody got a choice E as answer. I'm expecting that anybody who's given E as the answer is also saying D is the answer, which is choice D, 6 games. Then there are people who gave 5 games. A few of you gave 3 games, and a few of you gave 4 games. Now, can I ask you one thing? I know you can't answer, but on the chat, can you tell me on the chat, those of you who got, let's say, 3, what did you mean? 10 of you have, sir. Any one of you, please tell me why 3. I'll just take 1 minute before I close this, guys, and go to the next one. Or those people who have given me 4, give me an answer. Why 4? I understand 6 people who have given why 6. Anybody, please just take it a bit time. I think we can solve very, very quickly on this. I'm going to go to some really, really good questions from after this. 6, because 6 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1. Bhavya Veer, I love you. Which class are you, my friend? Anybody else? Anybody else who can give me an answer? One person has given me, Bhavya Veer has told me that 6, because 6 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1. Sarvesh also says the same thing. Anybody who has given me choice A or choice B or choice C, what is your, you think it can't be such an easy answer. I told another difficult one. Therefore, it should not be easy. Therefore, you said it cannot be 6. I think fair. I love Sumant. Sumant, what class are you in? 7th class. I loved it. You know, Sumant, while you're right, I will answer that. I think fair chance means 50% chance. So 3 games means 3 by 6 chance. Not really, but the logic of yours, Sumant, is bang on. Yes, Keshav, right? Because Rudra says, because if we need to win the series, then we need to win at least, that is why 4 is the number, at least 1. Very good, minimum. But again, you're forgetting 6, because probability is 1 by 6, so math should be 1. Okay, here is what. Ishita, are you there by any chance? I'm looking for your answer. Are you there or not there today? Anybody else? Chiranjeevi, what is your answer? Again, yes, thinking is fine, but why? Chiranjeevi is saying 6. Okay. If we have to win, we should 4 times. But why 4? See, kuch to reason hona chahiye na, Mr. Agarwal ji. Sir, 6 because there are 2 teams and India chance of winning is 1. That's what I think, Aditya. Everybody is saying so, and most of you have given that answer also. I'm going to take this because it's a very good question. Okay, I will stop sharing first. I will stop sharing this. Oh, sorry. I have not said anything, Sujata. 1 second, ruk jao. Main batata hu aapko. Here is what the important thing. I know those of you do not know this. No. Fair chance of me. Exactly, Daksh Poddar. I swear. Are you a whiz kid, Mr. Daksh Poddar of 4th class? Okay, here is what I mean. What do you mean by a fair chance? That means you have a 50% chance. Sujata, who said it is 6? Listen to me. Hear me out. Fair chance means greater than 50% chance. If it plays once, the chance is of course 1/6, but means the losing chance is 5/6. This is the losing chance. When losing becomes less than 50, then the chance to win becomes high. So if losing one game is 5/6, the second game losing is to 5/6. That means 2 games losing is 25/36. 25/36. 25/36 is still greater than 50. So chance of losing is still high in 25/36. When I say third game also somebody tries to win, still losing chance is 125/216. That is still greater than 50. But now look at this. If I play 4 games with Australia, my chance of winning, my chance of losing is 5/6 into 5/6 into 5/6 into 5/6. Like Utsav has said, 5/6 to the power 4. 5/6 to the power 4 is 625 divided by 1296. This is less than 50% or 48%. That means my chance of losing is 48. My chance of winning becomes more than 50. The moment it becomes more than 50, I have a fair chance if I play 4. Hence, my answer is B. This is a very difficult question, no doubt about it. But I told you, another difficult one, not an easy question. We will solve some more easy ones. I mean, I'm not going to give you this very, very easy ones. Let me tell you a couple of easy ones. This is easy. This is easy. This also is easy. I'll not do this. This one I want you to solve, guys. I'm going to give you time for this particular question. Very nice. Very nice. Utsav, I'll show that question again once more. Okay? But ye kar lenge. Because I have 10 minutes. I have some 3 very, very good questions to solve. I don't want to do that without leaving you guys. I want to solve these 3 very nice questions. Excellent, Gauri. Fantastic, Vivekanand. Right. Okay, 30 more seconds to go. Check, Chiranjeev. Check. Once more, sir. ये बोल रहा है, in the word Scrabble, how many pairs of letters have the same number of letters between them in the word as in the alphabet? Very interestingly, I don't know, maybe, just maybe you're taking No, that is not what you. Any pair of letters doesn't mean the same letter, Chiranjeev. I'll answer this question. Okay, I'm ending the poll, guys. Almost, I have got. This is the sharing of the results. A lot of people. It's like even, 8, 10, 8, 9. Incidentally, the answer is choice C. The Answer is choice C. I'll explain to you why in a moment. Here is what I want you to look at it. We have the word Scrabble. C dash A. The how many pairs of letters? So A and C have obviously B in it. And in this particular word also there is one. Have the same number of letters as in this word, as in the normal alphabet. So one pair is C and A. Then AB also is another pair. AB also is another pair. Right? Why? AB, between AB there is nothing, right? Here also with an AB there is nothing. So AB is another pair. And then look at AE. Look at AE. B, C, D. There should be three in between. Here also A, B, B, L, E. So three in between. So AE is in the third pair. Hence my answer is choice 3. Hence my answer is choice 3 for this. This is a very good question. Not a difficult. In fact, this is a difficult question to be honest with you. Gauri, what they are saying is, the question is between any two letters in the normal alphabet, A, B, C, D, let's say, between A and C, how many letters are there? B is there. Likewise, similarly, in this word Scrabble, how many are there? So A and B, if I can see, there is nothing. So A and B, we should not have anything between them. So that is one answer I get. Then between C and A, there has to be one. And between A and E, there are to be 3 letters, right? So between A, B, B, L, E, there are 3 letters. No other word in between two will have the same kind of a answer. That is the answer for this. Okay, here we go. Next question. Next question. I will erase. Okay, let me say, somebody is asking, Ishita, won't the first B and E? Oh my God, brilliant. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely correct, Miss Ishita. I missed it out. Ishita is absolutely correct. C and A is 1 because I have R, 1 gap. A and B because there is no gap. This A and B. Then A and E, there are 3 here. B, B, A, B, C, D. And I have B and E also. I have B and E also where there are 2 gaps. My apologies, and I'm Ishita. You're going to get an Amazon courier to you with a chocolate for sure. This is answer, my friends, is D. I'm so sorry. The answer is D and not C. My apologies to everyone, but thank you so much to Ishita. Now you understood, Gauri, everybody? Excellent, 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 excellent. I love this. Okay, got it, all of you guys? I mean, I hope you like this question, despite this question being so straightforward. I think people can get still wrong, and that's the beauty of mathematics. And here we go into the next one. Next one is a beautiful question once again. Yes, it's quite interesting, Gauri. Thank you so much. This one is one more last difficult one before I kind of make you enjoy. This is a slightly difficult one. Take your time, guys. 2 minutes. Ishita, I'm looking at you getting this right too. Take your time. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. How, Mr. Chiranjeevi, how is it? Do you know? But there are four, na? Then it should be 3 into 2. Each one was 2, 3, 3, 3. That will be 12 transactions. Or minimum is 6 if you do that way. By the way, do you know where is Timbuktu, guys? Do you know that there is a place called Timbuktu? Any idea where is it? What is the minimum of transactions? That each zoo ends up with animal, friend. Please read the question carefully. Sujata, there is a place called Timbuktu and it has the largest library in the world. It has the largest library in the world also. It's a very, very interesting library. Sarvesh, very good. It's in Mali is what Atharv, Sarvesh, etc. Chiranjeevi says. Very nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, I gave too much of time for this. Sorry about this. Okay, here is what the answer is. I'm sharing the result. A lot of people gave D as the right answer, but not D is not the right answer. A is also not the right answer. The answer, incidentally, my friends, is B, and that is choice B here. And how is this choice B? Let's look at it. A has 4 giraffes, and this has 4 tigers. C has 4 lions, and D has 4 elephants. In transaction number 1, this guy's transact 2 giraffes and 2 tigers. So this guy gives 2 tigers to to B, and this guy gives 2 giraffes to this guy. So this guy now has 2 giraffes and 2 tigers, and B also has 2 giraffes and 2 tigers. That's one transaction. Similarly, this is 2 lions and 2 elephants, 2 lions and 2 elephants. That is one more transaction. So 2 transactions done. Now in the third transaction, these 2 will transact. What will they do? This guy will give 1 giraffe and 1 tiger and take 1 lion and 1 elephant. So he will have 1 G, 1 T, 1 L and 1 E. Similarly for C. And the fourth transaction is this. Therefore, there are 4 transactions. Chance answer is B for this. That is the right answer, my friends. That is the right answer. Chiranjeevi, now you've got it, I guess. So there's a minimum number of transactions asked. Minimum number. How is that, Bhavyavir? If there is no transaction between B and C, then you will not, everybody will have 1 C and 1, all of them will not have 1 each, right? Yes, Vivekanand. Absolutely, absolutely right. Next question we will solve now. No, where is it? Read. Where is it? Minimum needed such that each zoo ends up. Where is it given? Chiranjeevi, you're not reading. I told you 3 times. So you should read the question. What is the minimum number of transactions needed such that each zoo ends up with 1 animal of each variety? It is not number of transactions for each zoo. Understand that. Okay? Right. Now, I think we have one last question I will solve. Very, very good question, which I really wanted to do this. I will leave these questions here in between. This last question before I leave you guys, very, very good question. It's a very nice question I want you to solve. This is real puzzle that you need to get. How will Bhavyavir the others get? What about between C and D? How will they have 1 each of everything? If just understand at the end of the transaction what will happen, that is what you should understand. Okay, solve this. Chiranjeevi, Sujata. Both of you have to check. These questions, I think you're getting it not so easy. Shaurya, no. We will figure it out, Chiranjeevi. I'll answer that question in a moment. Very, very good. The way thinking is correct. Just एक बार फिर से think कर लेना. Sarvesh, if you are asking that question or are giving me the answer. Correct. Then okay. What happened? Very few people. Guys, last question this is. I want all of you to answer once again. Whatever it is. Gauri. Okay. Ria. No problems. No problems. But let us see. You have to be careful in marking also. Ishita, did you answer? What is your answer? Okay. Right, Sarvesh. I like it. Sumant and Ishita. Very good. Okay, guys. I'm going to end the poll because it's a lot of time I've given. If you notice, I'm sharing the result. If democracy in this particular thing works, answer has to be choice A, and that is right. And I'll explain to you one moment how to do. The first box says the diamond is here. Oh, sorry, the diamond is not here. The first box, second box, third box. What is saying? Diamond is not here. Second box says diamond is not here. I'm just explaining this one. Third box says diamond is in second box. Now look at what are the possibilities. So one of the box contains diamond and the other two are empty. There are three boxes. A printed message contains in each box. One of the message is true and the other two are lies. Let's say this is true. Let's say this is true for a moment. If this is true, that means these two should be false or lies. Let's see. So diamond is not here is true. That means diamond is not in first box. Diamond is not here is true. Is false. That means if diamond is not here is false, का मतलब क्या है? That it is in second box. So where is the diamond? In the second box. In the second box. Now, this is false. We got it. This is true. We are correct. He is not here. We got it. Now, diamond is in the second box. That is true. But we are saying this should be false. That's a contradiction. Hence, the first one cannot be true. Let's take FTF. Now look at, there should not be any contradiction for this. Oh, so sorry, guys. Now let's look at this. Diamond is not here is false. If this is false, that it is here. That means it should be here. That means the diamond should be in the first box. Okay. Now, diamond is not here is true. Obviously, it is true because it is in the first box. Then diamond is the second box is false. Obviously, it is not in the second box. It is in the true. So this will also be true. This will also be true. And hence, if I take the first one as false, diamond is in the first box. By the way, you can also check the third one also. Let's say this is false. In fact, I don't even have to check. Either the first box is true or false, and then I'll get my answer automatically. One of them is true, one of them is false. I will get my answer. Hence, this is choice A. With that, I'll leave it here, guys. I want you to keep solving these questions on a fun with maths every weekend or every alternate weekend. We are coming back. There are certain things which will teach you, certain things which will kind of make you feel that, hey, you want to do more of these kind of questions. Some of you would have got all of them right. Is there anybody who got all of the questions that I gave right till now? This particular question? Chiranjeevi, I just explained to you once again. It is A is the correct answer. Don't worry about that. Atharv got all of them right, Atharv? Anybody else has got all of them right of whatever we've done today? That's okay. That's nice, Atharva Avasti. One wrong is not at all bad. No, 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 no. Chiranjeevi, up dekh lo फिर से. I'm 200% sure of this, Chiranjeevi Rishabh. You're getting it wrong, but maybe you've not said this. Very nice, very nice. That's really one wrong, Atharv Jain and Atharva. Okay, I'll leave that question for you. For those of you who want to solve this still, this is the question. I will remove. Just take this question and solve it again for yourself. Okay? With that, we'll come to the end of today's Fun with Math session. This is the 6th in the process. Keep doing this, guys. I mean, you please give us feedback in terms of what kind of questions do you need, what kind of questions you need, so that you can get the answer better and better as you know. Chiranjeevi, please go ahead and check it out. It's not the right answer. The answer is choice A. Don't worry about that. Please try to solve it, re-solve it again, like what I've said. Okay? Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best once again. See you soon in the next Fun with Math session. Thank you once again. Thanks, Ishita. Thank you. Okay, there is a Maths Lovers launch there. Chandan, if there is a Maths Lover launch, put this question there back and let Chiranjeevi give his answer. We will give the right answer. Ishita, I have not been able to check the answer that you have asked. We will do that. Bye, Pratik. Bye, Vivekanand. Thank you, Daksh. Ananya, whatever doubt, put it in that one and I will solve it for you. Right. Thank you so much once again. Here we go. Thanks, Janvi. Thank you so much. Yes, Pianshu, it's better to join with this ID, your Telegram number. Thank you. Chandan and Dipanshu, just send a link to all of them to join the Telegram group, the Maths Lovers launch. And please send me also, because I want to join that too with all these wonderful students. Okay, so here we go. We'll stop the share and we'll stop. Bye. Thank you so much. Yeah, Harsh, we will send you that. Chandan, aap sun rahe ho na? Right. Okay. We will get back to all of you who have attended today. Don't worry about that. Thank you. Thanks, Dev. Thanks, Dipanshu, once again. We will take care of the not chatting part of it. Don't worry.